Sweet potatoes may just be one of nature's greatest gifts, as they are one of the sweetest vegetables, versatile and easy to cook. Beneath their earthy jackets lie numerous nutrients and health benefits that can greatly improve your overall well-being. In this video, we'll dive into the top 5 surprising health benefits of sweet potatoes and why you should add them to your diet for a healthier you. So, buckle up and get ready to discover the magic of sweet potatoes. Number 1. Boost your immune system. Sweet potatoes are a great source of phytochemicals, antioxidants, and beta-carotene that can help strengthen your immune system. These nutrients work together to fend off infections and free radicals that can cause diseases. The dietary fibers in sweet potatoes also help improve gut health and digestion, leading to a healthier immune system. Number 2. Promotes healthy vision. Sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A in our bodies. This essential vitamin helps maintain healthy eyesight and prevents eye diseases such as cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. Including them in your diet can also improve night vision and keep your eyes sharp for years to come. Number 3. Manages diabetes. Sweet potatoes are naturally high in sugar and starch. However, they have a low glycemic index. The low glycemic index means that sweet potatoes release sugar into the bloodstream slowly, preventing spikes in blood sugar levels. Plus, the fiber in sweet potatoes is also beneficial for managing diabetes. Number 4. Promotes muscle mass gain. These root vegetables are a great source of energy and are therefore widely consumed by those who exercise or physically exert themselves regularly. Because of its high fiber content, sweet potato carbohydrates are released gradually, making it a great source of sustained energy for long-duration activities. Number 5. Prevents premature aging. Sweet potatoes, especially the orange ones, have excellent amounts of beta-carotene, vitamin C, and antioxidants that can help reduce the signs of aging. These nutrients combat free radicals in our bodies, prevent cell damage, and promote healthy skin. Including sweet potatoes in your diet can give you a natural glow from within. Beyond these amazing benefits, sweet potatoes can also help enhance brain function, decrease the risk of cardiovascular diseases, and even promote weight loss. In simple terms, sweet potatoes are a superfood that can greatly improve your overall health and well-being. So, next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to add these nutrient-packed vegetables to your shopping cart.